Hello. In this video, we'll demonstrate two latex method in Pandas. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for use the two latex method of Pandas. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires the pandas and numpy library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from Kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Let's take a look at the code. The code first imports numpy and pandas libraries. Here, the arrays variable is a list of lists that contains the data to be used as the index from DataFrame. The tuples variable is created by transposing the arrays list using zip arrays function. And finally, this statement generates a latex representation of the data frame. Let's run the code now. And you have demonstrated the two latex method in Pandas.